Future entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we've made it to day number 163 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, please go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. And what we are doing, guys, we are promoting a offer from ClickBank, from a place called ClickBank. All right. And also we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting both of those together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income or earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. Adjust my camera here. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. If you guys been watching these videos and following these videos, you kind of know where I'm going with this video. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how to do stuff. Show you about let you know about My Legion Secrets, what it is, and also let you know ClickBank and what we're doing there. Okay, so we finally made it to day number 163 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to be how many accounts that you have, right? Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secrets, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So if you have just one account, you're going to get 100 leads. Okay. If you have two accounts, you're going to get 200 leads on one and then 100 on the next one. Okay. Now, if you get a sign up underneath that second account, that account is going to turn into 200. Okay. So you're going to have 200 on your first one, 200 on your second one, and then 100 on your third one. That's 500 leads every single day coming in that you'll be able to get access to every single day. All right. Which is pretty cool. Now, if you get a sign up underneath that third account, then you're going to have 200 leads across all three accounts. All right. So it's pretty cool, guys. So, and just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now, maybe 3.5, getting close to that point. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. And I have earned income with My Legion Secret. All right. And I've been earning money with them for some time using their service. All right. So just wanted to show you guys around the back office. If you guys were to get signed up, which I'll show you how to get signed up later in this video. If you guys were to get signed up, your account is going to look exactly like this. Okay. Your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out versus what I'm sending out. Okay. And you're going to have your own personalized affiliate link to the system. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. You're going to have these tabs coming across here. This one's the My Leads, just showing you the leads that you're getting every day. You got extra email swipes that you can use. The mailing system is where you're going to be sending out all your emails. Now, there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. All right. Number one is you're going to be able to promote My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally come in here to the mailing system, create an email, and then send that email out, put in this affiliate link right here, and then you can promote this system itself, okay, to the traffic that's coming in, all right? Now, one thing about this traffic that's coming in, guys, these people are business opportunity leads, okay? These people care about making money online, okay? So it's going to be in our best interest is to put the right offer in front of this traffic. That way you can get eyeballs and, subscribers to your affiliate links and then also get sales and things like that, okay? So that's one thing that you're going to be able to do, okay? You're going to be able to promote the My Legion Secret, okay? Now, to get a fast start on that, if you just want to promote this company, this service is you go to affiliates, okay, click on the promo tools tab. You come down here, guys, and you're going to have some ten pre-written email swipes that you're going to be able to use, okay? So you can literally come in here and just grab one of these emails, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do it. So you just click on import email. Okay, what that's going to do is going to take us to the mailing system where we can send out this email. You have to select all so you can select which emails that you want to send out. Okay, so we're going to do that. Now, also, we're going to come down here, and as you can see, it's already populated the subject line. Okay, and then also it already gave us the email. Okay, super easy to do, guys. So all we got to do is come down here, click on perfect timing. And then as you can see, this email is ready to go. Don't you just hate it, right? Question mark. And then at the very end down here, it has our affiliate link. Okay. Now, once this email goes out, all we got to do is come down here and click on send. This email is going to go out. And then once it goes out to this traffic, okay, say for instance, if you have 1, 2, 3 accounts, right, and it's going to go out to maybe 500, 600 subscribers, okay, you're going to have a lot of people clicking on this link, okay? And once they click on this link, it's going to take them to your landing page, okay? Your landing page is like a funnel, okay? It's going to do all the selling and telling for you. The customer is going to subscribe to whatever it is that you're putting in front of them, and then once it gets into that funnel is going to do all the selling and telling for you, okay? So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to get our prospect to our affiliate links in these emails, and then our affiliate links are going to do all the selling for us, okay? So that's how you would do it. If you want to just promote My Legion Secret, you can literally go in there and use those free email swipes, and then you can click on send, okay? Or you can create your own email, and then insert your affiliate link like you see right here, okay? You come down here and click on send, okay? Now, right here with the system, you can send an email out every 24 hours, okay? So me, I've already sent out my emails for the night. That's why this timer is going in, because you can come in every single day, every 24 hours and send out an email. Okay. So that's another cool thing about this system is why I love it so much, because I can come in every single day and I can promote whatever opportunity that I want to promote that's related to making money. And I can get eyeballs and get people looking at my offer. Okay. So that's all you would do if you want to promote the My Legion secret system. So let's go ahead and come back up here. Okay. Now, if you guys wanted to, the other popular way, was I wanting to say, is the other popular way to make money with My Legion Secret is by promoting an affiliate network. Okay. You're going to use offers from an affiliate network. So you could use offers from a place called ClickBank, which is what we're using for this video series. You can also use a place called Warrior Plus. They have business opportunity offers. Also, JV Zoo, they have affiliate offers, and also Max Bounty and Blue Media Ventures. These are CPA networks that you can go to, and you can go grab some of their affiliate links, their business opportunity links. Okay, you can pick an offer, and then you can come over here, and then you can create an email. Okay. So that's going to be the second way, the other second way that's popular to make money with this system. Okay. You can promote My Legion Secret, or you can promote another network offers, okay, such as ClickBank, okay? That's what we're using for this video series. And now the reason why I picked ClickBank, because what I've noticed as, over the years of promoting the service is that ClickBank offers this My Legion secret traffic, okay? They like ClickBank offers, okay? That's why we're promoting ClickBank, all right? So in the e-business, e-marketing section, ClickBank is a free service that you can go to. You can get signed up. It's going to take you less than 10 minutes to get your account activated. And you can get in there and start promoting some of those offers right away. Okay. There's no cost to you. Okay. So I would recommend you guys starting a ClickBank account. If you don't want to do ClickBank, you can always go to Warrior Plus. I've made money with Warrior Plus. They do have some good offers there as well. Okay. So that's pretty much how you're going to make money with the system. The second thing I wanted to tell you guys is that there's going to be three ways that you can send out an email in this system. All right. Number one is create an email on your own. Okay. You can literally go to a notepad, just write out an email that's related to making money. Also, you want to write it related to your opportunity that you're promoting. So if you're promoting a ClickBank offer, a Warrior Plus offer, you're going to want to write the email based on the offer that you are promoting. Okay. That way, after you write the email, you can insert your affiliate link down at the bottom, and then you just click send, that email go out. Okay. The other way is going to be that you can send out an email is going to be using an email AI service. Okay. Or some kind of chat GPT, some kind of AI service where you can ask it to create you an email that's related to the offer that you're promoting. Okay. That's going to be the second way. The third way to send an email is going to be using the free email swipes that are from the vendor for whatever opportunity that you're promoting. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank is why I love ClickBank so much, and I've been with ClickBank over a century. Okay, so basically, what you could do in the e-business e-marketing section, they have about four different business opportunity offers that I have promoted before that really work, and those emails do convert, and I have earned income with all four of them. Okay. So pretty much what you could do is you can go pick out one of those business opportunity offers. Okay. And they have some free email swipes that convert like crazy. Okay. So you can literally go take one of those emails, and you can go to the affiliate section and you can they have about 20 different email swipes that you can use that's already populated. All you have to do is go grab those emails, grab the subject line, paste it over to the system, grab the body text, and then paste it over to the system, and then insert your affiliate link. Okay. Now, if you go back and watch my previous videos early in this series, you kind of get an idea on how to do that because I walk you through this step by step on how to do it. So, if you have any issues, just go watch those previous videos that I started in the beginning. Okay, and you'll see that I walk you kind of through it. The further I got into the series, I uh, kind of went to a little bit more advanced strategy on how to send these emails out because I've been talking about it so long. So all you gotta do is go back and watch those previous videos. Okay, so that's going to be the third way that you're going to send an email. All right. Now, when you send that email from the free email swipes, now it's going to look something like this. Okay. So it's pretty much those email swipes are going to be 20 of them. It's going to have a subject line. You just grab the subject line. And then also you have a body of text right here. And then also you have a link all you have to do is insert the link. Okay. And this turns into a clickable link. That way, when this email goes out to our subscribers, then our subscribers will want to see this email. They're going to read it and then click on the link. Okay. And it's going to take them to our affiliate page, and our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So all we have to do is get them there. All right. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. I just wanted to show you guys that. All right. So let's go and go over here to ClickBank. I did send out my emails last night. Me personally, I like sending out my emails late at night, maybe around this time. Every night I send out my emails. I got 8 different accounts. It takes me about maybe 5 to 10 minutes to actually send my emails out. So it doesn't take a lot of time at all. And then the return on your time and the investment is well worth it, guys. So this is my back office. I just wanted to show you guys. I did create a brand new ClickBank account just for you guys. I do got multiple ClickBank accounts that I promote different products in, but this one account that I only made just for this video series because we're only using one offer. Okay, we're not jumping around using different offers. We're going to use one offer and we're going to stick with it for 365 days. Okay, which is 1 year. All right. So we are in month number 5 now of this video series. We haven't even got halfway through this thing yet, so we got a lot to cover and a lot of ground to cover that I wanted to show you guys some cool stuff on how to send these emails out in a strategic way. Okay, so today is October the 7th. And what I like to do is do the last 30 days of these results. So that way you can kind of see the algorithm. Not only just seeing daily snapshots, but you'll be able to see the last 30 days and what it looks like if you were to get started and what it could look like for you. Okay. So as you can see, this is the last 30 days. And as you can see, this algorithm, things have been pretty consistent. Okay. So as you can see, we've gotten sales back to back. We've missed a day where we didn't get a sale. We came back the next day, got a sale back to back again, missed a sale, got a sale back to back. And then right here, we went 2 days without having a sale. Okay. But as you can see, that third day, we came back and hit a sale every day for 4 days. Okay. Which is really good. And this right here, guys, is the beginning of something else because this is the first time we got 4 sales in a row. Okay. So what this tells me is that we're getting closer and closer to bridging the gap. So eventually the whole idea here, guys, with this method is to get sales every single day. Okay. So right now we got sales 4 days in a row. We went a few days without a sale, but we came back. We got a sale here. Didn't get one the next day, but then we came back the next day and got 4 sales in a row. Okay. We missed a day and got another 4 sales in a row. Okay. So what that's telling me is that we're climbing this ladder here, guys, and we are on our way to another algorithm. Okay, which we're going to get. As you can see, we went from 2 to 3 sales to 4 sales every single day for 4 days. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, just the algorithm. That way you can see things changing. And then eventually, like I said, we're going to start getting sales every single day. But I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Don't want to take too much more of your time. But I did get a sale here, guys. And it looks really good. This algorithm has been pretty consistent here. So I just wanted to show you guys. Now we didn't get a sale for these last 2 days, but I guarantee you tomorrow we might come in and get another sale. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. ClickBank does pay every single week. Okay, so every Friday you will get paid. All right, so right now I'm earning income every single Friday. Okay, and let me go show you guys how to get started. I did leave a link below this video. Okay, so just come down here, click on this more tab, and click on this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the landing page of the offer. So you're going to come down here and you can just look at some of the testimonial guys. These are some of the people that are getting paid with the system. I'm not the only one getting paid. There's other people making money with this. Okay. So go ahead and get started with this today. I'll click on this MLGS link here now, guys. Pay your $60, $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer, guys, to do this. Like I said, I've been doing this over a few years. So take me, if you don't take my word for it, hey, no biggie. If you're looking for extra income, I would recommend signing up today. Okay. Whether you do or you don't, I'm going to come in every day and send out my emails, and I'm going to get paid every single week from ClickBank. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do this. I've sent out my emails tonight already. I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow so we can go over those results for tonight's emails. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.